Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you step by step how you can easily use Alchemer for like you're creating the service. So the first thing you want to do is you simply click on the plans and pricing and then click here start a free trial. Now where you see the self-service service software, start the free trial. You will go first name, email address, password, organization, industry, then you choose like department and data center, and then you're gonna click start a free trial. Now when you're already there, you're gonna choose like continue here and you choose a data center, and then here you are. So what you can actually find when you're gonna find and use the Alchemer. First thing first, on the left side you would find projects, then audience, design library. All of these stuffs are like for the paid user, also the webhooks and website intercept. But what we can do is we can simply create a new project, and we are going to name this channel a YouTube channel, the survey, the form that we're going to build. And here, so what we're going to do first, what we can do is to add a new, we have options to add a new question, text, media, or action. So let's say we are going to add a question. You're going to have the question type. In the moment when you would add a question, you have option to add a drop down menu. You have option to add a checkbox. You have option to add a text box, email, date, or intermediate, like these are paid. Then also you have option to add writing, and in the moment when you're gonna choose one, you can see on the left side that how it's going to look like. So let's say I'm going to use the text box here. We got also advanced here. Is there gonna be a new YouTube video? And then you're gonna have like the left label, right label, and when you have it, then you're just gonna click save question. And now what I can do, I can add a new text media. Now go ahead and move to the next step. So this is another thing that you can do. You can have like the instruction here. So you have option also to add an image. And then what you can do next, you can simply on the right side edit it, you can move it, you can copy it, you can even remove it. So that's interesting. And then you have also option to add a page. So let's say this would be a page 1, but in page 2 I can again add a question. Now here I gotta see the question type, and I can, let's say I would add an email or essay, long answer, all checkboxes. So let's say, or drop down menu, or even a date. So let's say I'm going to add a date. You can add a question, when the next YouTube video gonna be finished. Then you would have also left label, right label, and you have also option to require this question. So now I would click save question. Now when I go further, what I can do and what I can achieve here, I can add another question, and let's say I want to add a checkboxes. Here I would add a question like what color thumbnail is gonna be, and I can go with red, yellow, brown, and then save question, and voila, here we have it. So let's say that we got this and you create this your survey. What is the next step? You can go on a style, and now you have option to choose the colors as a background color, then the page color, then also the header. So really up to you how you're gonna like manage it. Then you have also language here. See as it looks on tablet or phone. And also you can do that. So in a moment you can test it. So you can simply new test response. This is like the preview how it looks like. And then the last step is share. So you can simply click here on share. So you see the certain questions tab are not particularly accessible. And we can like edit that. Let's say remove. And then you got it. Like you would just share it with other people. And then you're gonna see also the service settings. This is also important. So under building, you would see service settings, and you can edit the settings here as an intro, title, description, category, survey date format. Then also you have response settings. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in the comments. Like Alchemer is really great if you're gonna have the paid version. When you have the free trial, it's quite limited, in my opinion. So I hope this video is going to give you a little bit of information. You just have to like upgrade the account and choose which one you want. But yeah, this is how pretty much it works. Now it can be worth it if you're actually like the paid user. On a free version, I don't know. If you want to use a free version, it's a little bit limited. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.